Speed matters, but control matters more. A high-velocity airflow, engineered to dry fast without aggression. Heat adapts in real time, staying where hair feels safe. No overheating, no unnecessary extremes. Only precision, sustained. Negative ions restore what the city takes away, smoothing texture, reducing static, bringing balance back to every strand. Its form is intentionally compact, built to live in tight spaces and move effortlessly between them. Light in weight, efficient in power, present only when needed. Quiet enough for early mornings, late nights, and shared walls. This is not excess technology. It is technology refined. Sylph 2. Fast drying, intelligently controlled. Compact, calm, uncompromised.